my dear students, hope you are enjoying my digital lectures. Yes, I'm Friha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, my topic is multiplication table for 10. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to develop multiplication table of the number 10 till the multiplication of 10 by 10. Means we are going to multiply the number, or we are going to develop the multiplication table till the number 10. Well, my dear students, as you already know that multiplication is repeated addition. We add the same number again and again. That here we are talking about the multiplication table of 10. So here means that we are going to add the number. Which number? Yes, 10. Again and again with the same number or respective answer. For example, if the first number is 10, so we are going to add 10 more. Means 10 plus 10 is 20. Then again we are going to add 10 more in this number. We are going to get, yes, 30. So in the same way we are going to repeat the process till the number 10. Okay. So here I am going to tell you that timetable and skip counting is the same thing. What? When we skip in tens, we get 10 timetable. Okay, here you can check the number line is given. On this number line, the number line is starting from the number 1. Okay. Now, the number 1 means the first jump. Means I am going to get 1. After 1 jump means I am going to skip how many numbers? 9 numbers. So, I will get what? Yes, I will get the number 10. The first jump is on the number 10. So, 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 means my second jump. Means I'm going to add 10 more in it. Okay. Or I can say that I'm just going to skip the number 9 and then jump. How many numbers I will get? Yes, 20. You can check the box. Then I'm going to put this number 20 in the box as well as the number 10. Now, what next? The next number is also very easy thing. This is very interesting development of the table because this table is very easy and interesting as well. Now, by adding 10 more, I am going to get the number 30, or I can say that by skip counting in tens, I am going to get the next number 30. And again by skip counting in 40, I am going to say that 10 times 4 or 4 times 10 is, yes, 40. Now, 5 times 5 jump, the fifth jump will be on, yes, that will be what? 50 number. Now, 6th jump will be on the number 60. 7th jump will be on the number 70. 8th jump will be on the number 80. 9th jump will be on the number 90. As well as 10th jump will be on the number 100. Okay. So, I can say that 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is, yes, 20. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times 8 is 80. 10 times 9 is 90. And finally, 10 times 10 is 100. Now we are going to tell you that what actually the main development of this table is the same as we did before in the previous table development. You can check on your screen. There is what? Yes, there is 10 dots. 10 dots in one group, or I can say that one group of 10, or in other word I can say that 1 times 10. 10 means, or group of 10 means that multiplication symbol. Well, this is multiplication symbol. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 10 is 10. Now the second picture you can check that. How many groups? 2 groups of what number? 10. Because this is 10 timetable, so 10 we are going to repeat again and again, and we are going to start counting the number from 1 till the number 10. Okay, in the counting way. For example, now there is 2 group of 10, so we are going to write it down as 2 times 10, or I can say that 2 multiplied by 10 is equals to 20. Now what about 3 groups of 10? This is 3 group of 10 means 10 number is adding how many times? 3 times. Now 3 group of 10 is 3 times 10, or in the same way 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. Now check on your screen. How many groups are given? Yes, 4 groups. Because after 3 which number will come? number 4, of course. So, how many times we are going to add it? Means we are going to add the number 10 4 times. Or I can say that 4 times 10, that is 4 multiplied by 10 is equals to 40. Now, what's the next thing? This is 5 group of 10. So, means that 5 group of 10s, or I can say that 5 times 10 is 50. Okay. Now, what next? 6. After 5, which number will come? 6. 6 group of 10. 6 groups of 10. You can check on your screen how many groups are over here. Yes, 6 groups of 10s are over here. 6 multiplied by 10 is 60. Okay. Now, 7 groups of 10 means that 7 times 10 is what? 70. 7 into 10 is 70. Now, what the next thing? 8 groups of 10. 8 groups of 10, or you can say that 8 times 10. 8 multiplied by 10 is equals to 80. 9 group of 10, or I can say that what? 9 times 10, or 9 multiplied by 10 is equals to 90. In the same way, this is 10 groups of 10. You can check by counting or by adding in another way. You are going to get the next number, that is 10 times 10, or 10 multiplied by 10 is equals to 100. Okay, in this way we are going to develop multiplication table. Now, I am going to tell you that how to read this table actually. We read it as 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50. Yes, in the same way we keep on reading the table. Okay, I hope you are getting this concept. Now, what next? I am going to tell you a very important thing. That is paired table of 10. What does it mean? I am going to tell you in the clear way. So, this means that 10 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1 multiplied by 10 is equals to same, means 10. Or I can say that 10 times 1 or 1 times 10. Or in other word, I can say that 10 ones are 10 as well as 1 tens are 10. Now, 10 twos are 20 as well as 2 tens are 20. So, in the same way we keep on writing the number. For example, 10 will come over here, repeat here again and again, and we write counting from 1 till 10 over here, and then it equals to sign, and then you know that what comes, you know it. First 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 six are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, and 10 tens are 100. Well, in the same way, if 10 is repeating over here and the number 10 is repeating on this, and if the number 10 is repeating on your left side, or you can, the number 10 is repeating on your right hand side, and the number 1 till 10 after multiplication sign is written over here, or you can say that on your left side if the number 1 till 10 is written. So what will happen? The answer will be same. As you already know that in 2 time table, you remember that 2 tens are 20. So in the same way, 10 twos are 20. So do remember the table in this way. That is 10 threes are 30, 3 tens are 30, 10 fours are 40, 4 tens are 40, 10 fives are 50, 5 tens are 50, 10 six are 60 as well as 6 tens are 60, 10 sevens are 70 as well as 7 tens are 70, 10 eights are 80 as well as 8 tens are 80, 10 nines are 90 as well as 9 tens are 90, 10 tens is already 100. So we are not going to change the position because the number is same. So 10 multiplied by 10 is always 100. So do remember the multiplication table and do focus on the main concept which I told you. Hope this multiplication table is more easier for you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, you need to take care of yourself as well as your family. Allah Hafiz.